Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a milestone here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating milestones in Smartsheet helps you track key achievements or important deadlines in a project. A milestone is typically a task with a duration of 0 days, indicating a significant point in the project timeline. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, ensure you're working in a project sheet with columns or tasks, start dates, end dates, and dependencies. Now, I'm gonna click on this specific file right here, and then now, since I have already a start date and end date, I'm gonna make sure that the column type, go to the edit column properties, make sure that the column type is date, all right? And that applies to the edit as well. So just click on the audit column properties, click OK. And now, the milestone hasn't been set already. As you can see it from here, nothing's milestone, right? What I wanted to do instead is to click the grid view into Gantt. That way we can see the progress here. You see, if we hover down here, right? If I, for example, put the start date from, I don't know, maybe let's go for the maybe September 2020. You see that? The thing is, it's really a small. I'm gonna make sure that just like that, so you can see it. There you go. It's a lot easier. And the end date should be around maybe September 30th. You see that? That is gonna be a milestone. Now we can set the milestone as many as we can here. For example, this is gonna be for September 18th. You see that? And the end date is going to be around maybe, I don't know, September 29th. Now, creating milestones serves as indicators of project progress, as you can see it from here, right? By breaking project into smaller stages, you can measure project against key points, helping you stay on track. This is very helpful if you are working with multiple freelancers, clients, or many team members within an organization, because it can help you focus on specific objectives or deliverables, providing clear guidance on what needs to be accomplished by specific dates. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.